Start with one and then go in the direction of more and diversify and build a portfolio of systems that suits your level of capital and also the level of sort of time and capability you've got right now. When you first start trading, running one system, you've got to be careful and you're learning the ropes and you're trying to understand the process and you're trying to learn how to place orders and all of that. But when all of that is easy and habit, then running 2 or 3 or 4 systems is very straightforward. So I'd like you to get to the point of at least 3 systems, and let's say 3 systems and $20,000 is a nice combination, because with $20,000 you can diversify across 3, depending on which 3. But with $5,000 you can't. So with 5,000 it would be probably 1, depending on which market you're trading. So I guess that's my thought. You start with 1, try and quickly get to 3, and then beyond that as well, how much do you want to invest in this, both mentally, time-wise, and in the development and testing?